Good morning, students. Here we are again, and today we have to do in this class the question answer of Harris in the Maze. Yesterday we discussed the story of this chapter, and today we are going to discuss all the question answers of this chapter. So, here, students, first come to page number 60, B part. Answer these questions, and the first question is there: why did Harris go to the maze? Okay, the correct answer for this is here. Harris had gone into the maze to show his cousin the way. Okay, now the next question: why did the people in the maze pluck up courage at the sight of Harris? Answer for this question is there. The people in the maze plucked up the courage at the sight of Harris because he claimed to know the way out of the maze and brought hope to them. That was the reason. Okay. Now, the third question: why was it useless to consult the map? Okay, we have already discussed about the map na. So answer is here. It was useless to consult the map because Harris felt it must have been made up as a practical joke, as it was nothing like the real maze but only misleading. Understand? So the map was useless. Now the fourth question, beta. How do we know that they were walking in circles? Answer for this is there. They were walking in circles as whatever way they turned brought them back to the center of the maze. Now we are on the fifth question. Why did Harris feel that he had become unpopular? Answer for this is Harris felt that he had become unpopular because people started losing faith in him, and women with a child even called him imposter. Okay, so these are the 5 questions which you have to write and learn there in your fair notebook. Side by side, I am going to discuss think and answers also with you all. And the first question is there, think and answer. Why is it difficult to find your way in a maze? Illustrate your answer with Harris' experience. So, maybe you do have your own views for this, but according to me, the answer is here. A maze is a huge area in which always look alike. People go into it for adventure and entertainment. It is difficult to exit from it as all pathways are designed in such a way that they confuse people. Harris also lost the way as whatever way he turned with people brought them back to middle. Okay. Now the second think and answer bete. Harris, who was welcomed at the beginning, was quite unpopular towards the end. Discuss why. And the answer for this, according to me, is Harris was welcomed in the beginning because he brought hope to the people who had been trapped in the maze since morning. Towards the end, he became unpopular as people felt he did not know the exact way out of the maze. Okay, now the last question of this chapter. What are your impressions of Harris after reading about his in this extract? Harris seemed a little overconfident as he claimed that they would exit the maze in 10 minutes. He seemed like a determined person. as he lead the group without stopping in order to find exit of a maze. So from my side, these are the think and answers we have done, and after that you have to do the A part also, that is reading section. Choose the right option to complete these sentences. So the first question is there. Harris thought the best way of walking through a maze was that there, four options are given there, but the second will be the correct one, to keep taking the first turn to the right. Second question, we know that Harris was confident about exiting the maze because, here C will be the correct answer, he told other people to follow him. Now, the third part, Harris was called an imposter because, again, B is the correct answer. He had pretended to know his way around the maze. Okay, today last question, beta. The young keeper who came to rescue them, and answer D will be the correct option there. Goat lost himself. So here students, as well as you have to write all these question answers in your notebook, fair notebook, and you have to learn B part, answer these questions consisting only 5 questions there, and A part also, choose the correct option. Okay, today you have to learn these question answers. So have a nice day beta. Goodbye.